Morning, everybody. Today I want to talk to you about SharePoint agents on Coffee with Chris. What are they? Why are they? And how are they there? And how do you use them? So, what are they? Is they're an AI tool that pins to the top of a SharePoint page. And when it's on that SharePoint page, it's only going to use the information that is on that SharePoint page. So, it's not going to go into the graph and your emails and your other SharePoint sites to get data. It's only going to ground against the data that is in that site. So, if you're looking for very specific information and you don't want it to comb everything, a SharePoint agent might be the route that you want to go. Why are they there? So you can get information a lot quicker. You can set up retrieval tasks so you don't have to figure out which folder they're in or if there's multiple folders or files in there to look at. You can create custom workflows or automation tasks if there's specific actions you want to do on data once it's there, or you're trying to work on a project and it's just easier to create that agent. You can do a lot of different things with it. So just think about anything you can do with Copilot Studio or low code, no code power apps kind of thing. That's kind of what you can do with it. And how are they there? How do you create them? They're actually really easy to create as long as you have edit permissions inside that SharePoint site. So you go into the edit or the admin section of the page, and you'll see a link depending on if there's already one created or not. You'll either see create agent or monitor or manage agent rather. And so you can go through the prompts on that and the workflows on that and create them. It's pretty straightforward. Now, who can use them? That's a question I actually get a lot. So if you have a Copilot license, a Microsoft 365 Copilot license, yeah, you can use them, right? But it costs you nothing extra to use. And if you don't have that license, does that mean you can't use them? Actually, no. They made a change that if you don't have a Microsoft 365 Copilot license, you can still use those SharePoint agents. However, there's going to be a pay as you use or pay as you consume type model that's attached to those. And you are going to have to do some extra setup inside the Azure portal with some Azure resources to start being able to track that consumption. But it's not that hard. So if you go out to the Learn articles from Microsoft and look at how to set up pay as you go for SharePoint agents, it's pretty straightforward. So that's SharePoint agents on This Time with Coffee with Chris, and I'll see you next time.